The logic of the cyber operations is that we have hackers, criminals, terrorists who are doing these attacks. But who are behind them? They are intelligence services, security services, and the state actors, and also the organizations. And there's always target libraries for the vulnerabilities, targets, and cybersecurity arrangements. And it's a hybrid for the espionage and end stage. And what are the targets are to get the chaos, political pressure, and impact on political decisions. This is the logic behind cyber operation, why they are made and why this crime as a service today. And the whole game of cyber crimes is changing now because digitalization is changing the society and the rules. Technology giants are changing our society. The direction is not necessarily positive. We have to do something for that. We have now the same game, but we have plenty of different rules in this era. 2019, the cyber world trends. There is a political trends, strong statements, crisis of truth, protectionism, and national security. The time of the political sensitivity and diplomacy seems to be over. The economic area, we have cryptocurrencies, the wild west of finance, money laundering, the way to bypass sanctions, cybercrimes, cryptojacking, huge cost of espionage, and data breach. Financial loss, cost, reputation, fines, all these will be paid by us. To continue the trends of the cyber world is also the technological point of view. The technical vulnerabilities are getting more challenging. Spectre, Meltdown, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. There will be the new ones all the time coming. Increasing the attention also increase interest. What happens will affect what's going to happen. All the automation, IoT, drones, everything will change the world faster than we can see ourselves. What happens in the legal area? Legislation is behind the digitalization. Legislation also changed the playing field globally. We have plenty of countries who are playing this game. EU's laws and trade secrets came in force last year. GDPR is a big increase for the security issues also. And underway are the EU copyright directive, e-privacy, e-privacy. Legislation on using artificial intelligence also creates a lot of possibilities in the positive side and negative side. It's good for the business, but at the same time we have to look what it means for ourselves as individual citizens.